there, everybody, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Getting ready to kick off summer 2022. Exciting times ahead, especially with this amazing business called M.A.P, which stands for My Automatic Pay. I wanted to come in here and do a short video here before we kick off the weekend officially and let you know that between now and the end of Monday evening, the end of Memorial Day, I have a really special bonus awaiting you if you take action and get started with me in M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. What I'm going to do is purchase your first traffic campaign for you to help you to give you a boost and a very nice jump start to your traffic generation for your M.A.P business. Okay, this is a really amazing business. I got started when it first launched at the end of last year, November, and been absolutely loving it. My results have been very consistent. As you can see, here's my dashboard right here, and this updates every 24 hours. See the statistics updating every 24 hours, and I had another $247 sale that just came through, folks. Super exciting, and you can experience this same level of excitement too and start earning these instant pay $247 commissions over and over again. Now, of course, I can't come in here and make any income claims, guarantees, or promises because results are not typical. They do and will vary based on your marketing efforts, okay? And just remember, nothing happens unless you take action first. But if you stay committed and consistent with your marketing efforts, all you have to primarily focus on is just driving traffic to your capture page. It's a very simple business. It's very user and newbie friendly, and this back office is very easy to navigate and set up, okay? So when you get started, you'll log into your back office. You'll be receiving a welcome email from me, okay? And I will be here to help you every step of the way as well. And you'll come back here and you're going to watch this welcome to M.A.P video first, okay? Then you're going to come over here and this is going to define and explain very simplistically through these 4 short videos exactly how you can start getting paid with your very own M.A.P business. You want to be sure and watch all 4 videos. Don't take any shortcuts. I promise it'll be well worth every minute of your time, okay? So you're going to watch this welcome M.A.P video, activate your site, your payment option, and your full system overview, okay? Very easy. There is actually only 4 simple steps to getting started, okay? So you're going to come over here to the left of your dashboard and click on Start Here. You're first and foremost going to complete your profile with your information, okay? Such as your first name, your last name, your email address, your address, and that's going to integrate with your system and with your autoresponders and your follow-up system and all that good stuff to help you to succeed in your business, okay? So first and foremost, complete your profile. The second step is to choose how you want to get paid. Now, this is a member-to-member business. You can use a variety of payment processors, okay? And you'll pick whichever one or ones you desire on how you want to get paid, and you'll input your payment details into the payment profile payment option area. So that's step 2, okay? Next, you're going to come in here, number 3, step 3, and activate your website. You'll click on Capture Pages, and we have 2 wonderful, very high response, high converting capture pages. This one here and this one here. This is the one I've been using with amazing results, okay? Very consistently, it has been producing for me very nicely since last November of 2021 when I got started. So to do that, you just click Make Primary Page, point and click, come right next door here and make this your redirect, okay? That's all you have to do. Again, let's recap real quick. Make this my primary page. Make this my redirect. You can also choose this capture page here if you would like. Okay, this one works amazingly well too. It really does. This is the one we've been using for our magazine co-op, which I'm currently participating in through the Home Business Advertiser magazine. Okay. So again, no different. Make this my primary page, come back over to this one and make this my redirect. You want to use the timer page for your redirect. Now this is the page that you'll click on and get your link, and you'll utilize this particular sales page that has a different video and all of your email follow-ups. This one works amazingly well, okay? This video and this sales page, okay? So it's very, very easy. Again, we simply create our profile, enter our information. It's basically once and done, set and forget. The same applies to the payment option, okay? So you complete your profile, number one, once again, set up your payment option. Number two, come in here and activate your website. That's step three, okay? So we've completed that. And again, you just make this your primary page, make this your redirect, and it'll generate a link for you. You'll want to take that. There's a short step-by-step video tutorial that shows you how to do a simple redirect, getting a GoDaddy.com domain name. Very easy. You need any help with that? Feel free to reach out to me. I can absolutely and will absolutely assist you in the process if you should need to after you watch the simple tutorial video. So now that brings us to step number four, the fourth and final step, which is probably the most important, getting traffic. As you might as well know, folks, traffic is the lifeblood of all businesses out there. That's all you have to focus on. And again, this coming weekend, starting right now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, through the close of Monday, Memorial Day, as my special bonus for you joining with me, I will be purchasing your very first traffic campaign to assist you in jumpstarting your results and your MAP success. Okay? Sound good? So all we do is we come here to get traffic, folks, and you're going to watch this traffic video. Okay, right here, you're going to watch this traffic video. It's very short. Traffic is the lifeblood of all businesses, and it's the key to these fun and exciting $247 payments that you have the potential to earn as well if you consistently work your business. Okay, so coming back over here once again to getting traffic, direct response marketing, you definitely want to review this entire information here, folks. There's a great wealth of content and value contained in this information here. Read through it a second and third time if need be, folks. I promise you it'll be well worth your read, okay? Then we're going to come down here, folks, to 22 attention grabbing headlines. Excuse me, there's my kitty cat. I just got to close him out for a minute. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and take advantage of these in your marketing. Go ahead and review how to make more 247 payments. There's a rotator option if you wish to set your team members up using a rotator style platform. Solo ads, drop cards, postcards, and a flyer, as well as the magazine co-op through Home Business Magazine, comprises all of the wonderful traffic methods and options that you have to choose from to assist you in driving traffic, collecting leads, building your email list, having your follow-up emails going out for you. The money, folks, is in the list. The fortune is in the follow-up. I can assist you with all of that. We also have a wonderful 800 number right now, and I do encourage you, check this out, folks. Test it out. Call 1-800-699-4398 and be prepared to be amazed. So coming back here, folks, to getting traffic, we've got solo ads, drop cards, postcards, and a wonderful sales letter and a magazine co-op option through the Home Business Advertiser. And you can also advertise this 800 number, folks. Here's the resources right here. You can go through all of this. I actually, in my previous video, went step by step in detail. I'll put that link below, folks. There's 10 core commitments. Make sure you read the terms and conditions and refund policy. That's equally important. Broadcast, opt-in email. Make good utilization of this, folks. Okay, welcome email. You're going to send that to all of your new team members. This is the video tutorial that shows you how to forward your domain name. You certainly can integrate your third-party autoresponder. I currently utilize Aweber. Okay, that's something I do highly recommend. That's an option. It does come with a built-in autoresponder as well as pre-written follow-up emails. I also have a customized follow-up email series campaign, which I can and will share with you through Aweber. Okay, you can copy my emails if you would like to. They're working amazingly well, by the way. Okay, here's your products. comprised of digital products and health and wellness products. So yes, indeed, this absolutely is product based. Okay, it's 100% legit, great content, great value through these wonderful digital downloadable products. Digital marketing, training, and education to empower you with knowledge so that you can become more valuable in the marketplace and have great success with your MAP business, as well as staying healthy. Okay? FAQ, frequently asked questions section, the compensation plan update, direct response, your audio library, how to maximize the compensation plan, the system overview, and the optional Wave credit card acceptance platform as well, folks. So hopefully this video, this short video today, inspires you to take action, folks. This is a great business. As you know, right now, going into summer of 2022, inflation is at an all-time high. This can tremendously help you, okay? It is indeed a wonderful recession-proof business, allowing you to earn direct pay commissions of $247 over and over again through your favorite payment processor to help you through these challenging economic times. So with that being said, folks, my name is Marybeth Angelelli. Thank you so much for spending the last 11 or 12 minutes with me on this wonderful Friday, kicking off summer 2022, getting ready to have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. And as my special bonus, I'm going to be purchasing for you your very first traffic campaign if you take fast action between now, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, all the way through the conclusion of Monday, Memorial Day evening. Okay? Thank you so much. My contact information is below, and this is my capture page. Let me share this with you in closing. Okay, you're going to go to My Automatic Pays, PAYS.com. Link will be below, folks. Okay, here it is. Here's the wonderful capture page. Your next step is to enter your first name and your email and click the red Get Instant Access button, and you'll be redirected over to the other side where you're going to watch that short video with a timer, folks, and then information will pop up. There'll be a red join link. You'll go through, you'll pay your one-time admin payment, $33. You'll be redirected to pay $247. And for your convenience, I do accept all major credit and debit cards, okay, as well as Cash App, Zelle, and Venmo. So connect with me. Any questions, text or call me. My personal cell number will be included in the link below in the description, okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend, and stay safe out there, folks. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Thank you very much. Marybeth Angelelli. Bye-bye.